So BluOS owners would stream the Jazz R Fest that's coming on the 23rd of this month, August, in high the highest format, which is MQA, and you are gonna get it pretty much on the highest quality there is. Now, I'm not a jazz fan. I don't listen to jazz. There are a lot of people that love jazz, but I thought I could cover it since it's in the audio tech space, and BluOS is one of the very best, kind of like best brand that makes very good sounding streaming apps, streaming devices are out there, and they also have their sound units there out there. So the Bluesound is really good, especially if you're looking for high resolution music. The thing here is that the jazz festival, which is sponsored by MQA and Bluesound, two of the biggest names in the high quality music streaming industry, will stream in MQA studio quality audio via Bluesound BluOS controller app. So if you own the Bluesound speakers or the streaming kit or an NAD electronics, the DALI speakers, the monitor audio speakers, you can use the BluOS platform to enjoy the event. You're gonna get it on the highest quality possible out right now. So if you're looking for the very best sound for the event, make sure you get their streaming device, the BluOS streaming device, and maybe hook it up to an NAD AV receiver that supports MQA. All new NAD AV receivers support MQA, so just hook it up and you're good to go, and you will be able to stream and get the best sound out of the events that you are watching. So that is it. It's just pretty simple, and there is no big deal here. There is no big news here to highlight. It's going to be held, the event will be held at the Brighton Dome, and it will be epic. It's going to be held in London. It is what it is. I'm not a jazz fan, but I just felt like, let me report it since it's going to be streamed in the highest musical format out there online, which is MQA. So if you're a jazz fan, this is going to be your thing. You would love the event, and you pretty much it will resonate more with anybody that likes jazz generally. So that's what I have for you guys right now. Be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content. I'll catch you guys next time.